creamy, velvety, little bit sweet, and the onions and garlic still has a crunch. If you guys want to learn how I made this yummy sauce, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make steak sauce. This is also known as all-purpose sauce. This sauce goes very well with mashed potatoes too. To make this sauce, we will need 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 4 tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of water. I'll be making this sauce in an instant pot. 2 tablespoons full of oil. I'm going to let it heat up just a little bit. In goes the garlic. I'm going to saute this until it becomes a little soft, not brown, just soft. I'm going to add in the onions. Saute them until they become translucent. In goes the flour. I'm going to saute it. Add water. When this starts to thicken up, I'm going to add in the tomato paste. This has thickened up. I'm going to add the tomato paste. Give it a mix. I'm going to add in the salt and pepper. Mix. I'm going to lower the flame and add in the cream. Adjust your salt and pepper now. I'm going to add in the cream. Give it a mix. Finish it off with just a little bit of parsley. Give it a quick mix. Once the sauce starts simmering, it will be ready. This is the consistency of the sauce. It will thicken further when it cools down. So this is good. Okay friends, sauce is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.